VVIP culture continues, and this time visuals coming in from the southern state of Tamil Nadu. This is a shocking display. A minister literally on a power trip. Tamil Nadu's fisheries minister Anita Radhakrishnan was carried by the fishermen just to appear as saving his pristine white dhoti and sneakers from getting wet in the water. The DMK minister was caught on camera being carried by a group of fishermen while he was visiting the Palavekadu in Tamil Nadu's Thiruvallavur district. The minister had just arrived to take a look into reports of sea erosion in the area. He took a boat ride, was then carried by one of the fishermen after he appeared hesitant to step into the water while he decided to get down. The minister, after being landed in dry ground, was then happy and walking away, relieved that he has managed to skip wading through the watery stretch. Pramod Madhav getting us that visual. He's now reporting from Chennai. And this was such an important issue that he was going to address, a concern of the farmers and of the fishermen there. And then what happens is he cannot even afford to at least get his dhoti and the footwear sold. Pramod, what are you picking up about further details of this incident?
Well, it is quite appalling that such an incident has occurred. Just like you mentioned, the minister went over there to check on the condition of the estuary and the erosion in that part, which the fishermen have been constantly complaining about. This is Thiruvalur district, just next to Chennai district, and this is where it has occurred. He went on a boat trip. Apparently, the boat trip was also filled with a lot of people, and they had to cut it short. And while returning, just 10 feet, the minister could not keep his feet on water. He is a fisheries minister, and still he was apparently allegedly worried about stepping on water. And this is where one of the fishermen is seen actually carrying that much weight on his shoulder and putting him on dry land. And this is what has occurred. We are trying to contact the minister to find out why exactly this happened. We are not able to reach him over the phone. 5 phone numbers are there for him, but not even one we could connect through the phone.
Pramod Madhav, with this latest visual, we'll try and get a reaction from him getting carried by the fishermen, because who wants to get his clothes soiled or even wet while you're at work?